Hey guys, back with another video from my editor blogging channel, and in this video I will be discussing about the calling features and the Swoosh reply feature for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So this watch is an amazing watch and we can do a lot of things with this watch. Firstly, we can reply to messages with this watch alone. You don't need your phone to take from your pocket. And also this watch supports quick replies along with answering and accepting and rejecting the calls, which makes this watch a full-fledged smartwatch with all the features in there. So this watch definitely turns up the heat when it comes to the calling and the replying features over messages. We will see all the features regarding the calling and the replying in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And there are some really nifty features in there which we will discuss. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to CS, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So first we will see the quick reply and the replying options which we get with this smartwatch. So first of all, you need to download the Galaxy Wear app. And once you have installed the Galaxy Wear app, you need to connect this smartwatch, and once you have connected, you need to download few apps which will change the way we reply to the other person when we receive a message on this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So I will recommend you to download the first app, which is the Google Keyboard. So you can download the app from your watch only, or you can also download from your phone. So if I type here Google Keyboard on my phone, you will see the Google Keyboard will be there, and you have the option to install on your watch also. So once you have downloaded the Google Keyboard, you need to just come to the settings of the watch, and once you are in the settings, you have to just come to the apps, and here you just need to scroll down and select keyboard settings. So once you have selected the keyboard settings, you have to come to keyboard list and default and select the default keyboard as Gboard. So Gboard is the app you need to select, and here everything will be as it is. In the quick response options, you can turn on the message suggestions and also custom responses. So you can also add custom response from here, which you can send as a quick reply. The same thing you can do from the Samsung Galaxy Wear app also. You can just come to this app, and here you will get the option of watch settings. In the watch settings, if you go, you can go to the general option, and in the general you will get the keyboard list and default option. You have to select the Gboard, and once you have selected Gboard, your keyboard will be having the definite advantage over typing. So I will just send a message to my number which is connected with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So let's send any of the message, and we will see I will receive a message on my watch. So once I receive the message, first I can select the voice typing option. So this option is for typing via voice. So as I have selected the Gboard, this option has been activated, and let's say something like, "Hi, how are you?" So here you can see I can just type anything by saying in my watch. So definitely it is very responsive, and you can see each and every word it is understanding what I am saying right now right here. So after I have finished saying whatever I want to say, you will see that the message will be ready to be sent to the number from where I have received the message. So I can just select this one to send the message, and you will see that in my mobile also I have received the same message from my watch, which is really great. So this is the first way we can reply to the message. So the second way we can respond is via the smiley. So if I click there, you will see the emojis will be there which I can send, and all the latest emojis are supported here. You can send whatever you want via this watch directly to my message of my WhatsApp. So if I send something like this one, you will see that the message has been received on my number. So this is the second way if I want to reply via emoji. The third way is via drawing. So I can draw letters in here so that it will be transformed to actual words and I can send them. So if I just draw H, you can say that age has been typed, and I have the suggestions also here. You can just practice this and get good at typing like this. So if I just type hey, now space, now how, then space, then again R. Okay, I need to give another space and U. So you can see I can type like this and send also via this watch, which is really great, and I have received the message, you can see here. So the next way is via typing, which can be the easiest way, I will say. So if you want to type via a full-fledged keyboard, you can do that with this watch. And also this keyboard supports glide typing, so I can just glide my fingers and make the words appear on the smartwatch which I want to send. So I can just type like this, like hey, how are you. So this is the easiest way to send any message, and you can send anything via the smartwatch. And let's see the last way, which is the quick reply. So here I can set custom words which I can send whenever I am getting a message from the other person. So if I come to my Galaxy Wear app, and if I come to the watch settings option, I will get the option of general, and if I just click on general, you will see that I will get the option of quick response. So here you can just add any response you want to send whenever you will be getting a message, and that will be the quick reply option which you can use with this watch. So the quick reply option is a great way to communicate, and you can definitely select any of the message which you want to send, and whenever you will be receiving any message, you will get all the quick replies in the down which you can select and send to the other person. So these are the ways you can reply to a text message via the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Now we will see the calling features. So calling is also possible via the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and it comes with a contacts app. So you can definitely select any of the contacts which you want to search here. So definitely it is really great that you don't need to pick up your phone and search contacts. You can do that from the watch. Not only that, it comes with a dialer also. So if you go to dialer, you can just type the number which you want to call, and the call will be going to the particular number. So let me call my number and see whether I am able to just talk over my phone or not. So you can see I am receiving a call, and the same call I am receiving on my watch also. So to accept the call, I just need to scroll up, and you can see the call has been accepted, and obviously it is connected via Bluetooth. I can switch on the speaker option also. So the sound is entirely coming from the watch itself. So let me decrease the volume. So the calling features are really great in here, and you can definitely do some things like you can add number in here if you want to dial, and if you want to mute the call also. It's really great. So full-fledged calling feature in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 which you can do, and really great option you will be getting with this watch. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.